In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free coins on Pocket FM. So as you can see, I have 98,200 coins right now. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get right into the video. This is fully working on an iPhone and Android, guys. So if you use Pocket FM and you want more coins, there is a way to do it. And I'm going to show you guys right now. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to get this Pocket FM like mod right here. So let's go, guys. So as you can see, I got tons of coins, so I'm going to show you guys how to get a ton of coins for yourself. So the first step is to go onto this site. It's called tweakgpt.com. So once you're on this site, guys, it's going to say like discover modified apps. So you just want to type in Pocket FM, and as you can see, guys, it should say like looking for Pocket FM mod. Here's how. I'll go to Zoo Mods. So now we're on Zoo Mods, and we're going to type in Pocket FM, and as you can see, guys, it found Pocket FM mod. So just press on that and wait for it to start downloading. If you got a decent internet, guys, it shouldn't take that long, but be sure to try this out because it's super cool. It fully works. So let's just wait for it to download here. As you guys can see, so basically before it downloads, you are going to have to do a verification. This is the final step, and it ensures that you get the Pocket FM hack installed. It's very simple to do. Basically, there's going to be a list of apps, and you just got to download some of these apps, complete the instructions, and they're completely for free and from official app store. So for instance, TikTok, it said download stuff run for 30 seconds, so it takes you to the app store, you download the app, blah blah blah. Pretty straightforward, right? So yeah, there's a bunch of these. You just do them and you're going to be all set. So I'll see you guys later. But yeah, if you're broke, you're going to like this because as you can see, I have tons of coins, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. It's super awesome, and this is a totally working video for you guys. So if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super insane. And yeah, all you have to do is go onto that site, and then it says please install 2 apps, so you just do this and then you're going to be good to go, guys. So I'll see you in another video, but yeah, get the word out. You can see all these apps on here. It's pretty straightforward. So yeah, if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share. I'll see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super insane, guys. Totally updated and everything, so peace out.